and a really big welcome back to my garage. It's great to have you here, and a special welcome to all my new subscribers. It's awesome to have you joining us. So what have we got on today? Well, we're going to be finishing off the chassis and painting it in that graphite grey colour which I spoke about in previous videos, but there's lots of other stuff that's going on in between there and a bit of fun as well. So without further ado, come on, let's crack on. Okay, well, it's day 3 of doing this chassis. It's another gorgeous day. I've got the other side ground out and flipped it over this way and started grinding out this. Yeah, everything was going well until I noticed a slight swelling on the outrigger. So let me show you what I found. I got myself a nice hole. I've cut that out, so that's ready for welding this morning. Got the main piece of steel cut out there. Got some rag shoved in here just to stop any swarthy bits of metal travelling down the chassis and any bits that are ground off. I've made this step here, which I'm going to weld into there first. Once that's in place, I'm going to use that as a step to put the piece of steel which is going to cover this hole onto this step and just underneath that lip there. Get that all welded into place. Once that's in place, I'm going to cut a piece of steel to go underneath the arm there. A couple of spot welds. Cut it off to here, and then once that's in place I will continue the arm across onto there. So let's give it a whirl and see how we go. I've got this little step now welded into place. Now I've made myself one of these. It looks like an iron. What's going to happen with this now is, the idea is this piece I welded on so I can pull it into place. So it's going to slip underneath there, this side, sit on that step, and then I can pull that up with this, get it welded into place, and then grind these off.
Nothing
Okay, so I've decided to get this in the garage. Put the main tub into the gazebo. Get this in here because the weather's turned really nasty out there, so I don't want to let the weather stop me. That really does my head in. So yeah, I'm going to crack on with this now. The main thoughts now, get the rear leaf spring off, get the diff off, get the wheels off, so I've just got chassis, and then I can crack on from there. Okay, it's time for the stripe coat. Really important to get this right. In all the nooks and crannies, everywhere the spray gun's going to find it difficult to get in there. See, when you're spraying, you get like a little bit of bounce back in the edges and the corners, so the spray doesn't actually get in to the edges and it leaves you a little gap of bare steel. So getting this right is really important. So with the stripe coat done, time to get some paint on it. Okay, now we've got this nice graphite grey colour on the outside. It's time to do something with the inside of the chassis, because all my work on the outside would be wasted if it rusted away from the inside out. So for that I'm going to use this cavity paint, which is a rust inhibiting cavity paint, and then when that goes dry inside I'm going to use a zero prep wax treatment for the inside. So with that I'm going to use this shellac gun, and this feeds in through the holes in the chassis, and basically all I'm doing is spraying and drawing it back as a spray, and the nozzle on the end basically sprays it in all directions, so it just goes everywhere. So yeah, let's crack on. Okay, there you have it, one finished chassis in graphite grey, in safekeeping on my wall until the next job on it. It's been great to have you along. If you enjoyed the video, please give me the thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, because that really helps me out. One other thing I've got to say, a very big thank you to Scott Neal, who sent me my buttons so I can put my leaf spring back together again. Very much appreciated, thank you very much. And I will see you again next time. Take care, bye bye.